Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use and tell the difference between three types of pronouns: object pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Let's begin with the key points. What is an object pronoun? What is a reflexive pronoun? What is a possessive pronoun? Compare all three. Practice examples. Real conversation example. Summary. What is an object pronoun? Let's start with object pronouns. We use object pronouns when something is done to someone. Examples. He called me. I saw you yesterday. They invited us to the party. Think of it this way. The action goes to the object pronoun. Common object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. What is a reflexive pronoun? Now let's talk about reflexive pronouns. We use them when the subject and object are the same person. Examples. I taught myself to cook. Be careful, you might hurt yourself. They enjoyed themselves at the picnic. It's like doing something to yourself or by yourself. Reflexive pronouns always end in self or selves. What is a possessive pronoun? And now, let's learn about possessive pronouns. They show who something belongs to, and they replace the noun. Examples. That phone is mine. This seat is yours. The jackets are theirs. Instead of saying, this is my bag, we can say, this bag is mine. Compare all three. Let's compare the three in similar situations. Object pronoun. Can you call me later? I am the object of the action you call me. Reflexive pronoun. I fixed the phone myself. I did the action to me. Possessive pronoun. This phone is mine. The phone belongs to me. See how they're all about me, but the meaning is different. Practice examples. Let's try using all three in one situation. Imagine this. You drop your wallet, but you pick it up without help. Repeat after me. Oops, I dropped it. Object pronoun. But I picked it up myself. Reflexive pronoun. Yes, it's definitely mine. Possessive pronoun. Real conversation example. In the next conversation, you will hear all three types used in a friendly, natural way.
Is this your coffee or mine?
That one is mine.
Sorry, I almost drank it.
It's okay. I would have made myself another one.
Summary. Let's review. Use object pronouns. Like me, you when someone does something to you. She gave it to me. Use reflexive pronouns, like myself, yourself when you do something to yourself. I made it myself. Use possessive pronouns, like mine, yours to show something belongs to someone. This is mine. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.